Hello students, 3-in-1 questions for competition. Question is number 1. This angle is 60. Now, we have to find the value of this question. This. How can we find? Very easy. It is very easy and very easy. Within a minute. First of draw this line parallel to AB. Then this will become to 60. Then this will become 18. Okay? Because this total is 78. Further draw parallel line to AB from D. D से जाने वाली एक पैरेलल लाइन खींचेंगे. This is 18. It means this is 18. Total is 44. 44 में से 18 गया. It means it will be 26. Now this is 26. Further we draw the parallel line from E to AB. This is 26. It means this total is 70. It means this will be equal to what? 4 and 4. 44. As X will be equal to 44. Within a minute. In a minute. 1 second में answer. Okay. Now this is the question. Second one. If 5 to the power X is equal to 7 to the power Y is equal to 35 to the power 2. Then find XY and YZ. Okay. 5 to the power X is given to us 35 to the power 2. It means 5 can be written as 35 to the power 2 by X. X root ले लिए एक साइड में. Same over here. 7 to the power Y is also given to us 35 to the power 2. This is, है ना? It means 7 can be written as 35 to the power 2 upon Y. This is the equation number 1. This is the 2. 1 into 2. It means 5 into 7 in left hand side will be equal to 35 to the power 2 by X into 35 to the power 2 by Y. As per the indices rule, we can write it as 35 to the power 2 upon X plus 2 upon Y. This is simple 35. Bases are same. It means 35 to the power 1 is equal to 35 to the power X, Y into 2 into X plus Y. Okay? It means 1 is equal to power base same hai. It means 1 will be equal to 2 times X plus Y upon XY. Value of this will be equal to XY upon X plus Y. This will be equal to 2. Answer. Equal to 2. Answer. Clear? Now question number 3rd. This is root of 7 is under root 7 minus the root of 15 minus under root of 16 minus 2 root 15. First of all, we will take this portion. Root of 16 minus 2 root of 15. This can be written as 16 can be written as 15 plus 1 minus 2 root of 15 inside under root. Okay. This can be written as root of 15 whole square plus root of 1 whole square minus 2 into 1 into root of 15 under root. This is a square plus b square minus 2 times 2 into a into b. In place of a, we are given root of 15. And in plus b is equal to 1. So that it will be a minus b whole square. It means root of 15 minus 1 whole square. Root of 15 minus 1 whole square under root. This is nothing but equal to root of 15 minus 1. So in place of this, we can write simply root of 15 minus 1. Now this equation become equal to, ये equation हो जाएगी under root 7 minus root of 15 minus root of 15 or minus 1. Okay. This will be equal to 8 minus 2 root of 15 under root. Now 8 further, this can be divided into two portions. How? This can be written as 15. 15 लाना है इसका 8 5 13 5 3 8 8 5 15 15 5 8 3 8 हो गया 5 into 3 is it 15. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 2 into root of 5 into 3. Okay. This can be written as further. फिर से हो गया ये. Root of 5 whole square plus root of 3 whole square minus 2 into root of 3 into root of 5 whole under root. Okay, this is just फिर से हो गया a square b square minus 2 into a into b, where a is root 5 and b is root 3. This can be written as, what we can write it as? It can be written as root of 5 minus root of 3 whole square under root. Under root. It means the value will be simply root of 5 minus root of 3. This is the answer. तो इसका आंसर होगा, answer will be root of 5 minus root of 3. Okay, these are the competitive questions for different types of the competitions. Only of 2 minutes, only practice should be there. But keep in touch with me, keep in touch with my videos. If you please, thank for watching my video, and if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe it. और भी क्वेश्चंस लेके आएंगे फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ कंपटीशन है. डिफरेंट टाइप के कंपटीशंस होते हैं, कैट वेट जेट, इसमें इस तरह के 2-2 3-3 नंबर के 4-4 क्वेश्चन आते हैं. मैथ्स माइंड को रिमाइंड करते जाइए, प्रैक्टिस करते जाइए, मैथ्स में इंटरेस्ट लीजिए, मजे कीजिए. ओके, गुड नाइट, गुड लक, थैंक यू.